Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Sensei show, where learning English is simple, fun, and super easy for beginners. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to be back with you all today. I hope you're having a great day so far.
And to all our amazing learners around the world, thank you for joining us again. We truly appreciate you.
Yes, thank you so much. You're the heart of this channel. And today we have a very fun and very useful topic for you.
That's right. Today we're going to talk about daily life, the things we do each and every day. This is perfect for beginners because you'll learn basic verbs and vocabulary you can use immediately.
Exactly. Before we get started, if you enjoy learning English with us, please don't forget to subscribe to the English Sensei show. Give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
And feel free to leave a comment below telling us about your day. We love reading your comments. Okay, Jack, let's begin with the morning. What is the very first thing you do in the morning?
Well, the first thing I do is wake up. I usually wake up around 6:45.
6:45? That's a good time. I usually wake up at 7, just a little later than you.
Not too late. After I wake up, I get out of bed. And honestly, sometimes it's difficult.
Oh yes, waking up is easy, but getting out of bed is the challenge.
Exactly. After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Brush my teeth, wash my face. These are very important morning actions. After that, I usually go to the kitchen.
The kitchen. Very important place in the morning. What do you do in the kitchen?
I usually make breakfast. For breakfast, I drink a cup of coffee and eat some fruit, maybe an apple or a banana.
Coffee and fruit. Nice. I usually drink tea in the morning. And I eat cereal. It's quick and easy.
After breakfast, I get dressed. That means I put on my clothes for the day.
Yes, get dressed. A very common phrase. After I get dressed, I usually put on my shoes and my jacket.
Put on my shoes, put on my jacket. Perfect expressions. And after that, I leave the house.
Where do you go in the morning, Emma?
I usually go to work. I work at an office.
Nice. I sometimes work from home, but some days I also go to an office.
Jack, tell our viewers your full morning routine, step by step.
Sure. I wake up around 6:45. Then I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I go to the kitchen and make tea and have cereal. Then I get dressed. If I go to the office, I put on my shoes and jacket. Then I leave the house and go to work.
Wonderful. Very simple but very useful. Let's review some important morning verbs. Wake up, get out of bed, brush my teeth, wash my face, make breakfast, have breakfast, get dressed, put on my shoes, put on a jacket, leave the house, go to work.
These verbs are very useful for beginners, so try to use them when you talk about your morning.
Now, let's talk about what we do during the day. Jack, what do you do at work?
When I'm at work, I usually sit at my desk and work on my computer.
Same here. I also work on my computer a lot.
I also answer emails and sometimes write reports.
Answer emails, write reports. These are very common work activities for many people.
Sometimes I also have meetings with my coworkers.
Meetings are when people talk about work together. I also have meetings during the day.
If I work from home, I still sit at my desk. I write articles, prepare lessons, and sometimes have online meetings.
So many useful actions. Let's talk about lunchtime. When do you eat lunch, Jack?
I usually eat lunch around 1 p.m. I often have a sandwich or a salad.
Healthy? I sometimes bring my lunch from home, but sometimes I go out to eat.
Going out to eat is fun, but yes, it can be expensive.
Exactly. After lunch, I go back to work until the end of the day.
And after work, I usually go home. That always feels good.
Yes, going home after a long day is the best feeling. What do you do when you get home?
Sometimes I relax on the sofa and watch TV. It helps me unwind.
Sounds nice. I also like relaxing when I get home. Sometimes I cook dinner.
What do you like to cook, Emma?
I like cooking simple meals, pasta, soups, or rice dishes. Cooking is relaxing for me.
Nice. Cooking is not easy for me. I usually make simple things like noodles, or sometimes I order food.
Ordering food is nice sometimes. After dinner, I usually wash the dishes.
Same here. Not my favorite thing, but it has to be done.
After washing the dishes, I usually relax. I read a book, talk to my family, or listen to music.
Those are great evening activities. In the evening, I also sometimes go for a walk, especially if the weather is nice.
Before you go to bed, what do you do?
I usually brush my teeth again. Then I go to bed around 11 p.m.
I go to bed around 11:30 p.m. Before sleeping, I like to read for a few minutes.
That sounds relaxing.
Let's review all the important verbs from today. Morning, wake up. Get out of bed. Brush teeth, wash face. Make breakfast, have breakfast. Get dressed. Put on shoes. Leave the house. Go to work. Daytime. Sit at my desk. Work on my computer. Answer emails. Write reports. Have meetings. Prepare lessons. Have lunch. Evening/night. Go home. Relax. Watch TV. Cook dinner. Wash the dishes. Read a book. Go for a walk. Listen to music. Brush my teeth. Go to bed.
These verbs describe almost everything we do from morning to night.
Remember, you can use these verbs to describe your day. Try to say your daily routine in English, even if it's simple.
Yes, just try your best. The more you practice, the better you get.
Learning English takes time, but every small step is progress. You're doing great.
Absolutely. And thank you so much for joining us today on the English Sensei Show.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with a friend.
And in the comments, tell us, what time do you wake up? We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you again. Keep practicing, keep learning, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.